Lesson 1-2, Concept 3, Multiplying Decimals. Now, multiplying decimals is very similar to multiplying integers. There's basically just one step at the end that you have to do. But it helps me to set the problem up vertically. If I have my problem horizontally, it makes it a lot more difficult to see where my decimals are and to do the multiplication. So set your problem up vertically, and then do the multiplication as normal, ignoring completely the decimal places. So I have 1 times 2, 1 times 4, 1 times 3. Then I need to drop down my 0. 2 times 2, 2 times 4, 2 times 3. Add the 2 together. 2, 8, 1, carry the 1, 7. So, at this point I've done my multiplication. I'm all done with step 1. Now step 2 is counting the number of units you have to the right of the decimal point in both or all of the numbers that you multiplied. So in 3.42 I have 2 decimals, or 2 places to the right of the decimal, and in 2.1 I have 1. So I'm going to take that, I've got 3, I'm going to start all the way on the right of my number, and I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, place my decimal point, and I've got my number as 7.182. And you can usually check that pretty easily. If I think about it, this is around 3, that's 3 and some more, and this is a little bit more than 2. 2 times 3 is 6, so a little bit more than 2 times a little bit more than 3 is probably going to be 7. So that answer makes sense. And that's it.